This is the video for Module 31, Steel Sheet Pile Wall Structures. Steel sheet piles are steel piles driven into the ground and interlocked together to be used as a retaining wall, to retain either soil or water. In some cases, tie rods are used to keep the structure stable. Damage to steel sheet pile walls are usually results from excessive vessel impacts, over-dredging, excessive loading on the wharf's surface, corrosion of the tie rod anchor assembly, and corrosion of the steel sheet pile wall itself. Steel sheet pile walls corrode the most within the tidal range. The steel sheet pile shows severe pitting and rusted out holes in the piling web. The steel angle and plate pile cap is also severely corroded. The piles are severely corroded in the splash zone. Fill material is visible in the cavities and is spilling out of the wall. In this photo, the piles are severely corroded in the splash zone. Material is lost through the holes, causing sinkholes in the deck above. The steel ladder rungs are badly twisted or missing. Most likely, the damage was done by ice. The concrete block has settled, creating a step on the deck. Spalling of the concrete is also visible. The bent steel rebars sticking out of the concrete present problems for mooring lines and also create a safety hazard. In this photo, the steel sheet pile wall has bowed out towards the water. The tie rods that retain the top of the wall have possibly failed, causing the wall to bow out and separate itself from the deck. The following is a list of components that should be inspected during operational visual inspections of steel sheet pile wall structures, and the possible damages to look for during the inspection. Check the deck surface and the structure face alignment. Look for depressions, cracks, or holes in the deck surface. Look for a noticeable outward bulging of the wall face, or a noticeable outward or inward leaning of the wall face, or a separation along the joint between the deck and the back face of the wall. Check tie rods, nuts, and plate washers. Make sure they are not missing, loose, or damaged. Make sure there are no damaged, broken, or loose fenders, ladders, bollards, cleats, wheel guards, or chains. Also check water supply lines, electrical supply lines, and hoists. For more information on the maintenance of hoists, watch the hoists video. If a problem is found, the following actions should be taken. Except in the case of minor damage, you should close and barricade the section of the structure affected and immediately notify your small craft harvest contact. You should also identify, photograph, and map the problem. Major repair work may be required if problems are due to the failure or deterioration of structural elements that the miscellaneous steeled elements are secured to. Proper maintenance is essential to preserving the life of the harbor. For more information, please consult the inspection and maintenance modules and watch the maintenance film. This is the end of Module 31, Steel Sheet Pile Wall Structures. For more information, please consult the inspection and maintenance modules.